Watch, when I turn the fan on, you could hear a ticking noise. Sounds like it's coming from this side right here, the passenger. And watch, I'll turn it off. It's gone. All right, guys, I got my car back, so they went ahead and made the repairs on this. Let's go ahead and test out this fan to make sure that it's still not ticking here. Okay, so the sound was coming from here earlier. Now I just hear air blowing. Perfect, so it's nice and quiet now. All right, so here's what was causing the issue. They had to remove and replace the blower motor. So if you guys hear a rapid ticking noise, it's gonna sound a little faint. It's not gonna be really loud, so make sure to listen closely. And if you hear that sound coming from your fan, make sure to get that checked out. More than likely, they just need to replace this motor here and everything will be good as new. All right, you guys, so make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Let's keep this going. I'm gonna go ahead and post more future content, and I'm gonna have a whole series on me modifying my GX. I really wanna make it stand out, make it different than all the other GXs out there. So please make sure to support this channel, and I'll be keeping you guys posted, and stay tuned.